What's going on, guys? Clay with EKNIVES.com. I just got in these brand new Heretic Knives Hydra out the front, single action OTFs. It's got a cool little safety slider right here, and the firing button is underneath. These are DLC. I've got Tanto, I've got drop point. We've got some battle worn stonewash finish. 3.6-inch blades. Cool little safety slider so you can't accidentally fire it. So you have to push the button in, pull back the charging handle. These are really cool. And I got a battle worn stonewash finish, battle worn accents as well. So this competes with Microtech's Halo. As you can see here, these are much different in size. The Halo is a lot bigger. So you can see how much longer the Halo is. So holding this Hydra is really more like holding a Microtech Combat Troodon. So size wise, you're looking at about the same. Combat's a little bit thicker. Now I realize one's double action, one's single action, but as far as the Halo is concerned, the Hydra is a lot smaller. So way more pocket friendly, way more easy to carry if you want to carry it, and it's got a pocket clip. So there's the two together, just to give you an idea, because I know a lot of people will be interested in wondering size difference. So these fire great. These are awesome. These are listing right now at EKNIVES.com. You have any questions, call or text me 423-525-9477. Thanks.